Hi, everyone. This is Karine from the Abyss PH Academy. Today, I'm going to discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of working from home. I started my work from home journey last October 2019, and I do it full time last January of 2020. And I am so happy that I made the right decision because when I decided to do it full time, after a few months, which is March, the pandemic started. And today, this is very interesting topic because there are 10 advantages and 4 disadvantages of working from home that you need to consider. If you are just new and you are not yet decided if you're going to pursue this career, I want you to watch this until the end and see or listen to the things that I'm going to discuss. And it will help you to make a decision. So, first is you have an adaptable working arrangement. So, you can choose or pick the time of the day that you want to work. So, let's say you're working as a general virtual assistant and since you are a self-employed or an individual contractor, you can ask your client if you can work from 6 a.m. Eastern up to 12 midnight or 12 p.m. Eastern, which is 6 p.m. to us, to 12 midnight Manila time. So you still have time to sleep at night. Or if you are a cold calling specialist and you're only allowed to work during US business hours, you can choose to work from 3 a.m. Manila time or 3 p.m. Eastern up to 7 a.m. Manila or 7 p.m. Eastern. Because that's the time that you think that you're more productive. Not like when you are working in a corporate world, you have to work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or more if needed. Okay, so it will make you more efficient because you have a chance to choose the best time for you to work. Second is you can personalize your workspace. So I remember when I working in a BPO company, the working station that I have is the same with the working station of my office mate. We cannot change it, the color or the design, because if we do so, our team leader will be upset. So not like when you're at home, if you want to have a set of pink PC, table, chair, a mouse, and a lot more, you can do so. In my case, I am not a girly type person, so most of the things that I have on my working stations are black. I have a black PC, black keyboard, black mouse, black CPU, black chair, and a black table. And because for me, it's just plain. I don't like a lot of colorete on my table. And I find it more relaxing and it makes me more productive. Okay, third, no dress code. That's one of the things that I really like because when I was working in a BPO, I need to think what are the dress that I need to wear every day, and it consumed my time. And then when I was working as a teacher, I have um to wear a uniform, which I really don't like. I really don't like to wear a uniform. Anyway, so you can wear comfy clothes like oversized shirt, pajamas, or anything you're comfortable wearing it. And sometimes you don't need to wear bra, right? So no one will care, and they don't care because they don't see you, and no one will judge you when you wear oversized shirts or braless, or you only wear shorts. That's totally fine. Okay, so next is you have more control of distractions. So whether we are working in the office or home, distractions are always present. So let's say when you're working in an office, you have office mate, you can make chit chat with them and you will get distracted. Instead of focusing on the task, you choose to talk to them. Not like when you are working from home. If your kids are noisy or if your brother or sister are noisy, you can push them away from your room and you can focus on your job. Okay. Or if someone turns on the TV, you can ask to turn it off so you can focus. Okay. Next is more productive. Yeah, I agree with it because when I was working from home or when I choose to work from home, I can do more stuff because I only work from 8 hours, but and I can work from 12 hours if I want. And I feel a sense of freedom and I really like it. I um I can release my full potential and it resulting to become more productive. Okay. Next. Heavy traffic no more. This is what I really like when I choose to work from home because today is not safe. There is a Delta variant, whatever COVID virus variant. You're not really safe if you are working and traveling. You are riding in an LRT or jeepney. You don't know if you're dealing with someone who has COVID-19. And when you go home, you have kids, you have your parent who has comorbidity, and you want them to be safe. So this decision is really best because you can protect them. You can just stay at home and you will not deal with heavy traffic. Okay. Next is you can save money. Yeah, this is really true because when I was working in the BPO in MOA, there there are a lot of fast food chain, Jollibee, McDonald's, KFC, and if I don't like the food in the pantry, I'll just go there and buy some food. Or if I don't have a chance to go to the fast food chain, I'll buy food in pantry, which is kind of costly to me. Not like when you're working from home, when your mom cook something, you can just eat that and it really save you a lot. Okay. Because sometimes if you're obviously let's eat in McDonald's, okay, and you only have limited budget, okay, so it really save you a lot of money. Eight, you are away from toxic workplace environment. This is one of the things that I want when I choose to work from home because there's no office politics. You don't have any problem to deal with toxic workmate or boss that are so demanding. Since you are working as a virtual assistant or individual contractor, you can create your own terms. That's what I really like here, and it also protect my mental health, our mental health, your emotions, your spiritual relationship with God. It's really nice. Okay. Nine, good work life balance. Yes, this is really amazing. It really um, helped me to have more time with my family. Because when I was working in a corporate world, in a BPO, I spent 1 to 2 hours time traveling, going to my work, and another 2 hours going back home. So total of 8 plus 9 because you have lunchtime 9 plus 4, you have 15 hours that you spent to your job and you only have few hours left spent with your family. And normally those hours you only allot that to sleep and you don't have time to talk to them. Not like when I choose to work from home, I I have time with my nephews. I can play online games with them. I can talk to my parents and discuss some of the stuff that we need to discuss about our family. And I have more time to boost my spiritual life, my emotions, and deal with some personal stuff. All right. And number 10, you can spend more time together with your family. So I already mentioned that earlier. So instead of being tired because you travel or work for 15 hours, including the travel, you have more time to talk to them. to speak with or to have bonding with them, to have karaoke or video okay or video games, especially those parents who have younger kids because they need you and they need time than some things that you can give to them. All right, so I already discussed the advantages. Now I'm going to discuss the disadvantages of working from home that we also need to consider and that we need to eliminate or control. The first one is you need a self control because of course no one will supervise you. You have freedom to do anything you want during your working hours. You can watch the movies that you want. You can play your online games and whatever. But of course, it may interrupt you, it may affect your productivity. But as a responsible virtual assistant or freelancer, we have to manage our time and eliminate the distraction. And there are instances that you want to sleep than to work, but you're going to think of your bills, the bills that you have to pay, your loyalty or integrity to your client, you have to work and just sleep later. Okay. Second, difficulty in drawing a line between work and home. Normally, most of the working moms are the one who experience this because, let's say, they have to do some house chores while doing the task for their client, and it really affects their productivity. Or if they have kids or baby that are crying, and they have to ask to stop them cry before they proceed to their job or to their tasks. It really happened because I have VAs who ask a permission if they can stop their timer because they will ask their babies or their toddlers to sleep first before they continue working. And that's totally fine with me because they are individual contractor and they can do that as long as it will not affect their productivity. Okay, third one, 24/7 connectivity. So you don't want to miss important notices, emails, chat from your client, and you need to be stay connected 24/7. But of course, if you have a too much radiation exposure, it might affect your health. So what I can recommend, instead of using your PC 24/7, you can just put the apps that you're using to communicate with your client on your phone or on your tablet. So you don't need to spend a lot of time on your PC. Okay, and of course, it's okay to have multiple clients, but I don't recommend you to use your PC for 15 to 16 hours. It's not really healthy. It really affects your health, and it happens to me, and I don't want to do it again. Okay? And fourth one and the last one, you have less social interaction. This is one of the struggles that I had because I used to interact with multiple people. When I was a teacher, I interact with hundreds and thousands of students, parents, and some co-teachers. And when I choose to work from home, I find it lonely, but I have to overcome it because I choose to work from home. So what I did is um, so I'm working from Monday to Friday or Saturday. Then Saturday afternoon, I'm going to meet my church mate. We're going to practice the songs that we need to sing on Sunday. Then Sunday, I'm going to church. Then Monday, I'm going to the mall or to buy some grocery and to buy some stuff. So that's how I deal with this one. Okay. So and if you have any question about working from home and how to find your client, you can put your comment down below. I'm going to answer it. And if you're not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, Divis PH Academy. You can click the notification bell so you can receive an update about our free trainings and free videos. And you can also join to our Facebook community, Work from Home Professional Philippines. We already have more than 8,000 members. This is really beneficial to you because you can see a lot of job posting. You can see a lot of tips and trainings on how to become a VA or freelancer. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Have a good one.